Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to insert a picture or a video to your document on the Pages application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the browse icon down below, which is the second option, and after that click on my phone. Here you can either create a new document or select an already existing document that you have created. Tap on it, and after that click on the plus icon at the top of the screen and tap on photo or video. Here you can select a picture or a video that you want to insert into your document, so click on it, and as you can see, it has been inserted. So you can change its size by simply tapping on it, and you can make it bigger or smaller. If you want to insert a video, you should repeat the same steps, such as clicking on the plus icon, then tapping on the first icon, and then tap on a video. And as you can see, it has been added to your document as well. If you want to delete any of these, just simply tap on it and click on delete down below. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.